Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and while you're at it, click the bell to be notified of future videos. This block is called Show Off. It finishes 12 inches. And this is your chance to show off all those large prints or those novelty prints and to work on your fussy cutting. It's a really easy, fun quilt to do and a great way to use up scraps. I'm using scraps of some Cafe fabric. So here's the diagram, and here are 4 blocks set block to block. This is a 2x2 grid, and each unit in the grid finishes at 6 inches. 2 of the blocks are just plain 6-inch finished blocks, and the other 2 have frames around them. Patch A is a 1.5 by 6 inch finished rectangle. We cut 6.5 by 2 inch rectangles, and we'll need 4 of the frame fabric. Patch B is a 6 inch finished square. We cut 6.5 inch squares, and we need 1 patch each of the accent fabrics. Patch C is a 1.5 inch by 3 inch finished rectangle. We cut 3.5 by 2 inch rectangles, and we'll need 4 patches for the frame fabric. And patch D is this 3 inch finished square. We cut 3.5 inch squares, and we need 2 patches from different fabrics. And I just realized I don't have the Quilt dies here, and I will add them for your copy to download. So here are the cutting instructions for the frame fabric and for the accent fabrics. You'll have 4 assorted accent fabrics. What we're going to do is first sew the side frames on, then the top frames, and then we'll sew the block together. So here are the Cafe fabrics I have. And step 1, we'll just take the D patch, which is the small square, and the C patch, which is the small rectangle, and sew them together like this. Do that for both of these. Press the seams open. Now we'll take our A patches and sew them to the top and the bottom of the units we just did, and do that for both these units. Now we have our pieces done, and we'll just lay them out, alternating with the plain block. And then we'll just sew these 2 together and these 2, press the seams, and then sew the rows together. Thank you for watching.